guys. Putik na hiya ako. Okay, so it's December 26, 2024 nung tinip ko yung vlog na to. Day 1 of the vlogs. So, this is the time na nag-ikot-ikot kami. Ayan. It's Christmas. A day after Christmas, ikot-ikot kami sa vegan. And ayan, may cafe kami nakita, but we didn't even dine in there. Ayan. Dinanan lang namin. Ayan, that's me. Mag-vlog. Medyo nahihiya ako mag-vlog niyan. Ayan. Ayun. Ikot-ikot lang kami niyan. Napakita ko yung mukha ko dyan. Oh my god. Wala akong sinasabi dyan eh. Ayan. And there we go, the horses. May mga horses doon. So, ikot-ikot kami. Yun pa rin, may mga shops and all. Dito, ayan. Daming horses. Grabe. Mami, hi po kayo sa camera para makita po nila. Then, hi, say hi to nanay. Say hi to nanay. Say hi to nanay and tatay. Where are we? Where are we, Martin? Where are we?
Where are we? Show your face to nanay.
Where are we, Martin? We are? Look at the camera. Then look at the camera. Where are we, Tin? Welcome to Vegan. Ah, very good. So, ayan, kumain kami sa restaurant na to. Ayan, pagkain namin. Ayun, kumain kami after that. So, ayan ako. Minom ng tubig. So, ayan, umikot-ikot kami sa mga street food doon sa vegan. So, ang daming stalls dyan sa vegan. Ganda din yung lights. Ganda ng view, actually. Tapos, daming mga food stalls. So, ayan, ikot-ikot kami. Ayan, nag-ikot-ikot kami. May mga pagkain like chicken. Iba-iba. Dami-dami mga food choices doon. Ayan. And then, we watched this parang water fountain show. Ayan, pumunta kami sa water fountain na ay water. Tawag doon, parang dancing fountain show doon sa vegan. Ayan, here's a small clip. Ayan, that's some of the fountain clips doon. Ang ganda actually. Ang ganda ng mga ginawa nilang parang effects, ganyan, dancing effects ng mga fountains. And that ends day 1 there. Nakakalesa kami guys. Okay, so it's day 2, December 27, 2024. Day 2 of the vlogs. Ayan, so sa day 2 ng vlogs namin, nagkalesa kami. Ayan, we rode a kalesa going around vegan during that time. Inikot namin yung buong vegan niya. Lalakad na po kami guys. Ang ganda dito ah. So ayan, we went back to the same place we went nung day 1, yung parang main city ng main area ng vegan, yung nandun lahat ng mga City Hall and kung saan nangyari yung fountains. Ayan yung City Hall dyan, yung court. Nilakaran namin yan. Tapos ayun, we explored. After that yung museum. Ayan, pumasok kami sa museum but hindi pwede mag-picture and video, so I ended the video there. Ngayon, so ayan, kumakain ako ng ice cream. Ayan, bumili muna kami ng ice cream. And then, after that, umikot kami sa mga like, bilihan doon. And, yeah, nagtingin-tingin lang kami ng mga stuff doon, mga gano'n. Tapos and then, yeah, ito, may windmill dito. Ayan, windmill lang, nilaro-laro ko lang yan. Yeah, naglakad-lakad lang kami. And we stopped by dito, we just, nag-walk lang pala kami yan. And nag-walk lang kami, tapos we ate lang sa may parang potato corner kasi sobrang init ng time na yan. Nag-stay muna kami doon and just had a snack. So yun.
Init guys dito sa Vigan right now. Day 2 ng namin trip dito sa Vigan. Hapon na po. Ayan, Vigan. Init! So mag-stay muna kami dito sa hotel namin mamaya. Tapos I think mamayang gabi alis kami ulit. So yun lang. See you later guys. So mag-room tour ako. Ayan, ito yung higaan ko. Diyan sa baba. Yung boses ko. Ayan si Martin. Tulog. Tapos ito yung mga gamit namin. Basura. Dito ko. Ayan ako yan. Gamit namin. Dito. Dito din. Ayan. Dito ba? Yan. Toalya. Mga bag. Bag ko, dyan laptop ko. Ako gamit. Tapos CR. Ilaw. Mali ata. Yan. Yan. CR. Ayan. Yun lang sa room namin. So, nandito kami sa hotel. Papahinga muna kami ngayon. Galing kami sa labas. Nakakapagod. Nakakapagod dito. Sa Vigan. Init-init sa labas. Ayan guys. Init. Init-init. Papahinga muna kami right now. Kasi galing kami sa labas. Naglakad-lakad. Bumili kami mga items, mga gano'n. Buti hindi ako magsalita. Buti ba niyo? Ayan, init. Buti mahangin ata sa labas. Ayan. Ayan, kwarto namin. Natulog yan si Martin. Ayan, kapatid ko. Ayan. Tulog. Kasi yan bed ko. Mamaya lalabas ata kami later. Mamayang afternoon. I mean mga gabi ata. So yeah. Tingnan natin. Pahinga muna kami right now. So see you later guys. Pahinga muna kami this afternoon. Ang init-init sa labas. Okay, bye-bye. Tulog muna ako. Good night. Hindi, afternoon na eh. So, manonood muna ako ng Netflix right now. Especially may bagong nilabas na season yung Squid Game.
Played these games before!
New season? Season 2 na ata eh. So, papanoorin ko. Episode 1 pa lang ako eh. Ay gosh, ang dami na akong spoilers na nakikita. Kaya papanoorin ko na. Ayun, Netflix. Yan. Ano? Wala ako sa ano eh. I lost track sa episode. Pero, yahabol ako. So, ayun. Sige, see you guys. Pahinga lang ako, nanood lang muna ako, tapos see you guys later tonight. Baka alis kami mamaya. So, yeah, see you. Bye-bye. Merienda, the soup. It's all noodles eh. Yeah, sure. Bonbon special. What's this? Authentic maki rolls. Ay, Japanese. For Japanese, do we want to eat Japanese food for dinner? Beef takoyaki. I've tried takoyaki already. Yeah. Pancit. Fried chicken and pancit. Yeah.
420.
It's a bit. So yeah, nag-order na lang kami sa stall na kaharap ng table namin. So we just had chicken inasal and rice with coke on the side. Tapos ayun.
You want toyo? Soy sauce?
So nagtatambay lang kami dito sa labas. Sa, I think, coffee shop. Dati. Sa coffee shop. Yan. Tambay lang. I just took my profile picture din. So it's day 3 of the vlog. So sa araw na to, we went to the Malacanang of the North. Ayan, so there's a building. Ang ganda eh. And that's me. Say hi.
Hi!
Where are we, Martin? Where are we?
Go to Vigan.
No, we're in Vigan.
Ilocos.
Ilocos North.
Norte.
Very good. What place is this called? Malacanang
Malacanang
of
the
no
North.
Malacanang of the North.
Malacanang of the North.
This is the back of the Malacanang of the North. So ito yung sa likod niya na part. Ayan. Ngayon ako just enjoying the view. sa background ko. So yun, pumasok na ako sa museum, and I started exploring stuff. Explored the museum, and here I entered into a room, a historical room yan. Makaluma na yung mga rooms doon. Ayun, sobrang old na eh. And tapos ayun, bumalik pa ako para mag-selfie. Ayun. So here are some paintings around the museum na in-explore din namin, and some historical stuff din, mga ganun. And then dito naman sa we saw different like furnitures dun sa museum, old furnitures na that they used nung panahon pa ng Spanish period pa. So yan, yeah, like old cabinets and old view, like yung ayun, ganda yung view dyan eh, ganda ng view. It's the largest room here. Ayan yung mga pictures ng mga Marcoses or old portraits of their family nung buhay pa si Marcos Sr. niyan. Tapos ayan yung mga like old pictures nila ng bata pa, yung si Bongbong and their other family members. And yan, pumunta naman ako sa isang room, exploring a room filled with historical stuff na ginawa ni Marcos Sr. and yan mga old items niya dyan. Tapos ayun, doon sa dulo, yan yung dating outfit ni Imelda Marcos, like in the old times pa. Ayan yung brief history about it. Ayan, and then culture ng mga Marcoses noon. And ayun, tapos na kami mag-explore ng museum. So we went out para kumain naman. And then bumaba na ako. And then yan, we ordered bumili kami parang juice dyan sa labas, bumili kami ng turon. Ayan, kumakain ako ng turon dyan. And then after nyan, kumain din kami sa labas for lunch. So we just had empanada, short lunch lang. Ayan, yun sila gumawa ng mga empanada dyan, the process of how empanada is made. Nakita namin doon. So yung ito short clip nung kumakain kami. Finish na namin.
Inom ka daw ng Coke. Para sponsored.
Sponsored ba? Kami sa windmills dun sa Ilocos Norte, kaso lang umuulan, so we didn't have a chance to see yung nangyayari doon. So yun, we just had to go back dahil maulan kasi noon. Ayun, short time lang kami nagstay doon, nag-check kami ng view, ganun, just appreciating the view na lang. Umalis na kami doon after that. Sayang. Hindi namin nakita mostly yung mga windmills. So, ayan, habang pauwi kami pabalik sa hotel namin, we just ate at a small restaurant para kumain for dinner. Ayan ako kumakain. And then after that, we explored around. May mga like fridge magnets and other
accessories and stuff na binibenta nila doon. Ayan. And then we went home na after that. We went home, pabalik sa hotel. Ayan. Bumalik na kami sa hotel. Ayan. Tapos, ayun.
So yeah, kakauwi lang namin from Ilocos Norte. Ayun, kapagod. Ayun, naligo na ako and all. Kakarating lang namin dito sa hotel namin pabalik. So tomorrow is our last day here in Ilocos Sur. So sabi na mag-beach kami bukas. So mag-beach kami. After ng beach, alis na kami and check out. Tapos biyahe na kami pa ulit. So ayun. So thank you guys for joining me sa day 3 ng trip namin dito sa Ilocos Sur. So yeah, last day na bukas. So see you guys tomorrow. Good night. So good morning guys. Day 4 na ngayon dito sa Vegan. So kaka-breakfast lang namin eh. And mamaya-maya we'll go to the beach. Yun. So right now mga 9 o'clock pa lang. 9:30. So mamaya punta kami ng beach to explore yung mga beach dito. Maglakad-lakad lang kami. So yun, tapos magpe-prepare kami ng damit namin. And yung mga ano namin dadali namin sa beach later. So yeah. Yun. So ang bala lang ako right now, maliligo lang ako tapos mamaya alis natin kami papunta sa beach. So yun lang guys, see you later sa beach. Bye bye.
So, day 4 of the vlogs. So, dito naman kami sa beach. Still in Ilocos Sur. I forgot the name of the beach though, but during our trip here, ayan, we visited the church. So, there's a small chapel in here. Ayan, may small chapel dyan. And then, we just had to check the had the time to see the view. Tapos ayan, madami mga boats doon, like floating huts. Tapos ayan, dami mga floating huts doon, and people having fun then like the others, ganyan. Tapos ayan ako just vlogging myself there. Ayan, just vlogging the view behind me. Ayan. Ayan, tapos ang maganda din experience namin. So we had the chance to eat, ayan, the okra and some vegetables. May toyo, sinigang na fish with rice na ulam namin for lunch. So ayan, then rice and fish. Tapos ayan ako ulit. Just vlogging myself again, vlogging the view, ayan. Ganda doon actually. Tapos ayan, we fed the fishes after lunch. Ayan, dami kaming fishes na nakita. Ayan, tapos ayan, may mga clip ako dyan na nag-fish. Ayan, here's a small clip about it. I'll try. Hey, aww.
Good. Just wait a while. Let's see the more we do. We can get some more later. Otherwise it'll be gone.
So ayan, we just stayed there like for 5 hours para lang mag-chill, maghiga-higa, tapos mag-swimming. Hindi ako nag-swimming though, pero I just stayed there. Ayun, nag-ano lang ako, higa-higa dyan. Kasi I took captures of the view, yung mga magandang view doon. Until mag 5 o'clock ng gabi, we went back home, pabalik sa hotel namin. So, ayun. And that ends day 4 there. So, good morning guys. Day 5 ngayon. So, this morning, uwi na kami. Papalik ng Manila. Ganda na kami ng gamit. Ayan. So, uwi na kami. Maya-maya. Pabalik sa Manila. So, see you guys. 3, 2, 1. Okay. So, ayan, pauwi na kami niya. It's day 5, December 30, 2024. So, yan, pauwi na kami. Pabalik ng Manila. So, miss ko na din yung vegan actually. Just a few days lang kami nag-stay doon. Tapos, ayun, bunay na kami pabalik. But yeah, just enjoy the view guys. So, that ends my vlog here. I hope you guys enjoyed this episode. Episode 2 ng Axel PH Adventures. Episode 2 series ko. Alam ko tagal na hindi nag-upload, pero I'm sure na I'll upload more than this. So, kaya yun, I'll try to come back uploading more videos, pero minsan busy kasi sa college and medyo late yung pagka-edit ko ng video na to. So yeah, please you guys enjoyed this video. So I hope you guys like, subscribe, and share it to your friends kung gusto nyo. Well, yeah, that ends the vlog there. So yeah, bye guys. Bye.